In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove old text in Sejda PDF Editor. If you've got a PDF with outdated or incorrect text and you'd rather not install software, this quick browser-based method is perfect. Sejda is an online PDF tool that lets you make simple edits right from your web browser, which keeps things fast and convenient. Start by opening your browser and going to sejda.com. On the homepage, look for the option that says Edit a PDF document. It's free. Click that to open the PDF editor. This takes you to Sejda's editor page where you can start working right away without setting up an account for basic edits. Keep in mind that free usage may have limits on file size or the number of tasks per day, so it's best for light to moderate edits. Next, click Upload PDF File. You can browse your computer and select the PDF you want to fix. Give the upload a moment to process, especially if the file is large. Once the PDF loads, you'll see a toolbar with editing options. Now choose the Text tool. With the Text tool active, click directly on the text you want to edit or remove. If nothing happens the first time, try double-clicking to place the cursor inside the text box. When the blinking cursor appears, you can select the unwanted words and press backspace or delete to remove them, or simply type to replace them with new content. You can also adjust font details if the editor shows those options for that text box. If your click doesn't select the text, it may be flattened into the page as an image, and direct text editing won't apply. In that case, zoom in and try again to ensure you're clicking precisely, or move on if the text can't be selected. After you've cleaned up all the text you want to remove and you're happy with the changes, look for the button labeled Apply Changes. Click it to finalize your edits. Sejda will process your document. This can take a few seconds. When it's done, you'll see an option to download. Click Download to save the edited PDF to your computer. To keep your original file safe, consider saving the new version with a different name so you can tell them apart easily. Before you close the page, open the downloaded file and skim through it to confirm the edits. Look correct and the formatting stayed intact. That's it. Simple, quick, and done right in your browser.